नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एपिसोड 3 ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट धर्मा बाय संजय गुप्ता, जहां एंशियंट इंडियन विजडम मिलती है मॉडर्न कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के चैलेंजेस से। लेट्स बिगिन विद ए क्वाइट बट पावरफुल ट्रुथ। Today's corporate world is full of dashboards, KPIs, targets, regular reviews, and also investor expectations. Amid all these, truth quietly steps aside to make space for perception. You are expected to look successful जब आप खुद भी क्लियर नहीं होते हैं, टू साउंड कॉन्फिडेंट जब अंदर से कन्फ्यूजन होती है, टू शो शाइनी ऑप्टिक्स जब असली रिजल्ट्स अभी आए नहीं होते. There is a constant pressure to look good even when things are not really good. But here is the real question: can truth survive in a world built on speed and perception? Yes, it can. Truth may move slowly, but wherever truth leads, legacy follows. It may feel silent today, but definitely it echoes tomorrow. Even in the Mahabharata, during the darkest hours, Sanjay told Dhritarashtra, truth is one, lies are many, and in the end, only truth triumphs. It was told in Udyoga Parva, chapter 43. Please note, this is not just philosophy. ये है strategic leadership. Trust builds trust, predictability, and long-term value. In today's business world, speed wins headlines, but truth builds legacy. Shortcuts look smart, but only truth compounds. How you report numbers, how you admit failures, how you treat your vendors and your people, everything gets noticed. You don't have to shout. बस सच पे कंसिस्टेंसी स्टैंड लेना पड़ता है और ये इजी नहीं होता. Let's go back to the late 90s. Tata Motors launched Indica, India's first indigenous designed car. The reception cold, sales dipped, critics mocked it. Ratan Tata went to Detroit. Ford's chairman reportedly said, "You don't understand the car business, why did you even enter it?" Most would have sold the business, but not Tata. He came back, silent, focused, no drama, no manipulation of numbers, just truth, vision, and patience. He reinvested, redesigned, rebuilt, and here is the key: he did not hide behind numbers, he did not fake success, he stood firm on truth. Fast forward to 2008, Ford was struggling. Tata Group bought Jaguar and Land Rover. That is not revenge. That is what happens when truth meets vision. Truth did not shout, it climbed and conquered. एंड ये सब सिर्फ स्टोरीज नहीं हैं, रिसर्च भी यही कहती है. 2023 में BCG ने स्टडी किया एंड पाया इंटेग्रिटी लेड कंपनीज शो 20 to 30% हायर स्टेक होल्डर्स ट्रस्ट, इन्वेस्टर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड क्राइसिस रेजिलियंस. सो जब कोई कहे थोड़ा ट्विस्ट कर लो, समझो करना पड़ता है, आस्क योर सेल्फ, प्रैक्टिकल फॉर whom? शॉर्ट टर्म अटेंशन या लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रस्ट? If we want to take some leadership takeaways, these may be: truth is not weak, it's patient. Legacy is built with dignity, not drama. सच बोलना आसान नहीं होता, पर जरूरी होता है. Great leaders don't chase approval, they pursue alignment. And remember, truth is your quietest asset and your loudest legacy. So next time someone says, एज आई सेड अर्लियर, थोड़ा पॉलिश कर लो, थोड़ा ट्वीक कर दो, आस्क यूर सेल्फ, विल दिस अनट्रस्ट और जस्ट अपलॉज? बिकॉज इन द एंड ट्रूथ ऑलवेज कंपाउंड्स. दिस वॉज कॉर्पोरेट धर्मा. मैं हूँ संजय गुप्ता. सी यू इन एपिसोड 4. टेक केयर एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.